To make caldo de res or beef soup, we're gonna need a pound of beef. I'm using beef shank. We're gonna add half an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. To save time, we're gonna add hot water and we're gonna add a pinch of oregano, a pinch of coriander, and some laurel leaves. And another optional spice is 2 anise stars like these. In my opinion, they give it a nice aroma and flavor. And we're gonna add salt to taste. We're gonna cover it. And we're gonna do 45 minutes at low pressure. That's it. I like to cook the vegetables separately because the beef doesn't lose its flavor nor the vegetables. The flavors don't mix up and at the end they taste better. So here I have 2 chopped Italian zucchini, a chopped chayote squash. I also like to add some chopped green beans and some chopped broccoli, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped potatoes. And this is optional. In my opinion, it gives it a very special flavor. It's chopped fennel or anise. And we're gonna add half a cup of water. And we're gonna cover so they cook more evenly. And it's been 15 minutes. The vegetables are ready. Let's check. And we're gonna remove the onion. And now we're gonna give it a try. Now we're gonna try the Mexican beef soup. Gonna add a little lime juice. I like to add some of these peppers. Let's see.